What is your recipe for happiness?
It's a long time. How much time you have? We're talking first. I'm telling you, first we're discussing, I'm revealing first one point. Get one solid footing.
Okay.
Okay? Accept this idea that you don't know who you are. Do you know who you are? You are Brenda. Before you were born, were you Brenda? After you die, will you be Brenda?
That I don't know, but I know Brenda with my past that drives me crazy.
This is all illusion.
Therefore I know who I am.
This Brenda is illusion. This Brenda is illusion. This is not who you are. This is our first stage of spiritual knowledge. First stage of spiritual knowledge is acceptance that you're suffering, and then you're inquiring how to not suffer as much. Inquiry into the absolute truth. It said, Tasmad Gurung, after suffering so much in material existence, you come to the point of trying to inquire what is the spirit. Hatato Brahma Jigyasaha. Now I shall inquire into the absolute or the spirit, the essence of everything. Who am I? I am my mind. No, you're not. What is the mind? Define the mind. The Vedas define the mind. Define the intelligence. Vedas define the intelligence. Define the ego. Vedas define the ego. Mind is just accepting and rejecting. Like I like this, I don't like this. Sankalpi vikalpa, that's the definition of mind.
Oh, define mind.
It's I like this, I don't like this. I'll take this, I won't take this. And then what happens is the mind is a conduit between your senses, your body, your intelligence, and your ego. The mind is the connection. The mind is what connects your body. Okay, now we give examples. Your body is given the example to be like a car in modern terms, or like a chariot. In the Vedas, it's described to be like a chariot. And the 5 horses are the 5 senses. The mind is just the reins that connects the horses of the senses, the chariot, the body, to the passenger and the driver. The reins is just, that's the mind. So you think, you don't know how to differentiate between what is the mind's thoughts. I think, therefore I am. So what? What is thinking? What is the I? I think, therefore I am. But what is the I? You don't know. Right now I'm speaking, but if I knew who I was spiritually, see, I'm not this person now because I wasn't this person before I was born. I won't be this person after I die. So this is not who I am. This is illusion.
Do you know who you are now?
I know who I am now in this reality. I know spiritually I'm a servant of God. That's how I know who I am.